kiss mama. Kylo, kiss mama. Mama. Kiss mama. Kiss, Kylo, kiss mama. Kylo, kiss mama. Meron kang tutok. Ay, tinapay ka. Napapakan ng tinapay ka. Nag-iingay kasi ulan. Dali, dali.
Ay.
Papay, sama ka ng Kylo.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no.
Kung kapulis ka naman, ilan na nang labay ka na yung naruhaan. Ay, patay mo na electric fan kami, dasog mo. Eh, rayot-rayot na ni Men. Men, patay mo electric fan, dasog mo. Nakabantay ka kami, nag-rayot-rayot na sila, Men. Ha? No.
Oh no, JJ.
Oh, JJ. Look, JJ.
JJ, Abiana. JJ. Baby.
Dr. Kwak-Kwak, ah? Kylo, Dr. Kwak-Kwak.
Mama. Kylo. Mama.
Ayaw ko bahay ka to.
Yes, it's your house, the three of you. 4 for Tam-Tam.
Ay, again, what is... No. No.
Can I sleep here?
Yeah. You sleep here. This afternoon, this evening, you sleep here, please. Because we have school tomorrow.
Oh. Kylo.
Maybe you can sleep here on Saturday if there is no school.
Some other time,
Yeah.
3 days.
Yeah.
3 days I will sleep dito na.
In English, I want it in English.
3 days I'm gonna sleep here na.
Yeah. Maybe it's 5 days. Because tomorrow is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, you are gonna be here.
Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. On the 6th day, you will be here. You can sleep here.
In 6 days.
Yeah. On the 6th days.
One.
During the 6 days. On the 6 days. That's Saturday.
Oh. Saturday I will go here and I will sleep here ever I want.
Yeah. What happened to your mouth? What is that, baby Yana? Camille, nagpapunas siya ng laway, Camille, si Abiana. Ayaw, huwag mo pagpunasan ng bibig, Camille, ng ganyan kasi masama. Buyada na siya, Camille. Uy.
Nakorner ni Abiana sa kanila.
Caro.
Si Ina ba dito?
Caro. Mga magugutom to kami mga alauna medya.
Or
1:30. Magugutom sila. Tutulog ko na ito 1:30. Ayan ako, Camille ang buko. Camille, kaya nga pinadadasog ko sa electric panel para mailak yung mga kuryente eh. Bunutin mo nga yung kuryente, Camille, para wala sigurado tayo. I-off mo tapos bunutin.
Ay.
O ano, Camille, bunutin mo nga. I-off mo yung ilaw. Tapos bunutin mo na. Bunot Camille. Idasog mo yung electric fan, men.
I want the light. Open the light.
No.
Can I go light here?
No, later. You just ask mommy later because maybe you will going to have a swimming.
No.
But
Can have not a swimming.
why?
chocolate.
Oh, I have Bubu, you know. I have Bubu here.
I know you. I said
Wow.
a rainbow dress
Wow, where we can find that?
in my house
In your
upstairs.
house, upstairs. Okay. You can call mommy.
Mommy's
So
not
that,
here. Later.
Where's mommy?
My mom is at home
Where did she go there? What
because
did she do
you
there?
asked me to eat here.
Oh, you and Baby Alo.
Yes. Abiana.
Okay. Roko.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy. Say mommy.
Roko, kiss la.
And
Mama.
I gird my love, and my serves.
Okay.
And I do
Say
got
mommy. Say
this.
mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
And some people go out or someone goes not out.
Okay. But why some people go out? And some are not.
Some are not me.
Okay.
Only when I got a fridge, always go out, and I let him out.
Oh.
Carlo, what do you want?
And when you be like a teacher, I will teach you how to be a mommy.
Like your mommy? But your mommy is a principal. She's not a teacher.
She's my teacher.
Oh.
She's
At
gonna be
home.
my own teacher
Okay.
at home.
At home.
Then when my
She
turn,
teaches you what?
yes, she just be mad when I do something.
Oh.
When I do something bad, she always punk me.
Oh. That's why it's the lesson that you should not do bad things. So that your mom will
And
not gonna spank you.
my mommy married daddy sometimes or not sometimes.
Oh, really? Do you
Yes.
think mommy loves daddy?
Yes. When mommy's mad at daddy, she still loves mommy.
Oh.
Baby shark.
What about daddy? Do you think daddy loves mommy?
Yes.
Okay.
Baby shark.
Do you really wanted to have another sister or brother?
I want a sister for the baby.
Oh. So you can ask that to mommy.
Okay.
Grandma shark, grandma.
And when I grow up, I will be a teacher. And I will, in my dreams, I will be a doctor.
Wow. So you want to be a teacher and at the same time you're gonna
Yes.
want to be a doctor.
And when I play Baby Shark with Carla, I know Carla sings with me. She wants to be with me. Carla only wants to kiss me, not mommy.
Okay.
Because
So you love Carlo.
yes.
You must love also Baby Yana, okay? You must treat Baby Yana as your true baby sister.
Yes.
Okay. She's your first cousin anyway.
Banana. Baby
Like this.
Say it.
And I get a chair and she put daddy and I like that. Like that.
May naminahos na si Ina.
Yun ang dance. Yun ang dance.
Oh, you dance there.